Have you ever dreamed of combining rugged adventure with ultimate luxury? Well, buckle up because the 2025 Kia Motorhome is here to redefine your travel game. This isn't just another motorhome, it's a rolling sanctuary built to turn every journey into a masterpiece. Let's start with the looks. One glance at this beauty, and you'll see why it's already an icon. Painted in a bold, striking yellow and accented with Defender-inspired aerodynamic lines, it's a vehicle that demands attention. But it's not all about aesthetics. Those massive all-terrain tires and red highlight screen capability. Whether you're tackling a rocky trail or cruising the city streets, this motorhome was made to handle it all. Step inside, and it's like entering a boutique hotel on wheels. The U-shaped seating area welcomes you with cozy sophistication, perfect for kicking back or hosting guests. And here's the kicker, a motorized dining table that transforms your space at the push of a button. Dine, lounge, or entertain, it's all at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the kitchen, because even adventurers need to eat well. Compact, but oh so functional, this space includes an induction stove, mini fridge, and a minimalist sink. Whether it's pancakes before a hike or a candlelit dinner under the stars, this kitchen delivers. But the real magic happens at bedtime. Imagine lying down in the sleeping area, gazing up through the skylight. The stars, they're your personal nightlight. It's the kind of experience that makes you wonder why you didn't start this lifestyle sooner. Tech-savvy explorers, rejoice. The Kia Motorhome comes equipped with a state-of-the-art touchscreen infotainment system, GPS navigation, and a premium sound setup. Want to unplug? Solar panels let you go off-grid while staying eco-friendly. Here's the best part. At $90,000, the 2025 Kia Motorhome delivers the perfect blend of luxury and rugged capability. It's not just a vehicle, it's your ticket to a life of freedom and adventure. So, where will you take it? Mountains? Beaches? The open road? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing travel inspiration. Because with the 2025 Kia Motorhome, the journey truly is the destination.